How to get GrubHub working promo code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about getting the GrubHub working promo code in 2024. So in order to access the promotional code for GrubHub, the first step is to open your preferred web browser in your computer or your mobile device, and then simply type in GrubHub promo code in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites such as coupons.com, the official GrubHub, Retail Me Not, Coupon Follow Again, Groupon, WorthThePenny.com, and more. From here, you can select any of the website you would like. For this video, I'm gonna go with Coupon Follow. You can see various offers such as $4 off, 20% off, $5 off, 25% off, 10%, 40%, and also free shipping. From here, select any one promo codes you'd like to use and click on See Details. Then simply go ahead and copy this code and click on Redeem at GrubHub in order to successfully redeem this code in your GrubHub account. Sign into your GrubHub and then apply the code to receive a discount on your purchase. So this concludes our guide on obtaining a functional promo code for GrubHub. We trust that this information proves beneficial to you. Thank you for viewing.